Hello, little Samuel. Hi. Can you say hi? Can you say hi? Huh? Sam, I'm trying to get Samuel to say hi. Can you say hi, Zanira? Say hi. Eee, so conceited. No, scoot back. You're too close. Scoot back some more. Some more. Okay. Is that your brother? Zanira, is that your brother? No, is that your brother? Look at your brother. Be nice. Okay, that's enough. Come on, Samuel. You see all that? Did you see the monkey? You see the monkey? Can you get it? Can you get the monkey? No, Nira, let your brother try. Get off. Zanira, get off. You're too heavy. Come on now.
No.
Yes.
No.